Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got two boxes which have two iPhone SDs in them. I'll do a screenshot on. Now, turn them a specific way so you'll see my address. Now this one, it's just rattling around in there. And it's a gold model. I will plug it up. Now I got this other one which is weird. They shipped it in an iPhone 11 box, which it's a 64 gigabyte iPhone 11 box, which is pretty weird. It's cracked. It's weird that they did that. Probably got a little bit of money for the box. It's crazy they did that. I ain't ever had a red iPhone besides my 7 Plus, which, yeah, not as new as the 11. I had a green 11. Now I'm gonna check the batteries on these real quick, because it could be bad. This one definitely just needs a screenshot and maybe a battery, so let's check. I'm gonna plug it into my faster charger. Alright, this is weird. First I checked out this phone. It had 92% battery health. I was like, wow, that is very good. Don't have to swap the battery, but then this one has 99% battery health. Now it's not new enough to show in, doesn't have newest OS, so I can't show it in settings, but yeah, when I plug into my computer, it almost has 100% battery health. So I'm gonna swap everything to this housing. Now let's start with this one. We're getting all of our screen and stuff from. We'll have a different colored home buttons around, but shouldn't even be really noticeable. I need to get a phone quickly because I had bought one. Well, I bought this one and I thought it was an iCall lock, so I had to buy a new one I could get, even if it was a different color. It has an AT&T SIM in it. Wow. Don't even know if the battery's original. Apple one. But it looks original. It was an Apple one. I'm not even sure. I'm having trouble finding my screwdriver, but finally got it. Oh no! It's got a little crack in the screen. What am I doing? Found a phone that has a little crack in the screen. Oh man. Maybe I caused that, but I doubt I caused that. I sell this phone for top dollar too, so I didn't even power it off. Wow. Starting to get sloppy. Yep. It'll come off in one piece, I'll take it out. Oh, man. Not gonna come off in one piece. Let's check the other phone real quick. For that battery to be that good, it must have been replaced. Battery must have been replaced. Let's see. Get a good place to suction cup it. Man, how did we get the screen off? Still has touch, so that's good. Supposedly this is a 32 gig. I didn't even bother to check, but try to do it in a really non-cracked part. Nope. That might. Okay, it's not gonna come off now. So. Okay. It's just like riding a bike. It's easy. This one has a SIM card in it too, so. Let's see what SIMs are on both. Okay, let's see, is that battery any better? Any easier to remove? Just, my suction cup just broke. No. Okay, so this suction cup just pulled off too. Oh, look. I'm breaking my stuff. Yeah, that suction cup's good again. Okay. Let's put that over there. Okay. Let's work back on the gold one. Get the SIM card. We can get the motherboard out to make it a little easier for ourselves. So this one has AT&T SIM in it. And the other one has a 4G SIM in it, which is probably US Cellular. Probably that's what the carrier is. That was on the SIM card thing in the box that they sent me for the iPhone 11. Another standoff. Once I get the motherboards out, I should be able to do the batteries. Or battery health is good enough to where maybe I just leave it. But I don't know about the screen. I was gonna swap on it. It has a little crack at the bottom. I don't know if I caused that or the when it was shipped caused that, but I will at least tell the seller, come to me with a cracked screen. That's the only thing you could do. Maybe she'll take some money off or something, I don't know. Maybe partial refund, I don't know. Never hurts to ask. So I did kind of overpay for this. So I really needed one, so yeah. And I thought I got scammed. Like, this would have been a good price I paid for this one if it was a fully working phone. Since it's not, yeah. Good. Went off good. Probably been a part before. For battery work. Because batteries don't just aren't this good, you know, if you use it a couple years. Okay, and screws out. And I will put the screws where they go. But probably on this side. Probably over here so we don't get a little confused. Or so we don't lose screws. Okay. That's good. Now we get the motherboard out of this phone. I always end up losing screws where they go, so can't do that no more. I end up losing screws too, so yeah. Battery going out. It's like riding a bike now. They're that easy to fix. This will be like my fourth motherboard out on the SE. So I kind of know where the screws and stuff go and stuff. Pretty nice. Okay. should be good to lift up. Well, that broke. But we didn't need that antenna for the motherboard, so we're good. I think it's one of the antennas are good, we're good. Okay. It's good. I'll just put the screws where they go. Just like that. Okay, that's good. Now, have to get the batteries out. Which, yay! It's more like doing the devil's work. It's that hard. Yeah. Not even bother about it. It'll be fine. Not like we need the new battery anyway, so yeah. Still has good battery health, so yeah. Would have been nice, but I can manage without. So yeah. It's just so painful, you know, trying to take it out and stuff. Oop. Forgot about that little. Okay. I forgot about the what you call them, the buttons, button connector. It's just wedged in the motherboard. About that, good. That. And wait to put the battery in. Plug it in. Now, where do these screws go? I think I would know, and I said I knew, but I'm a good liar. No. Apparently this SE should be unlocked. Well, it should be a little bit better of a model. It should be like a 32 gig or something. Oh, it should be like a pretty nice model. And where is that at? Oh no! That antenna is under the motherboard. Nope, nope. Can't have that. We just gotta lift that part of the motherboard up again. Get that antenna out from underneath. Get from underneath of their antenna. Okay, now the antenna's back in the top. Now I can just Okay. Plug that connector in. And that's good. Good. Two more screws. Keep losing my screwdrivers. I think I have them. I'm working on the phone, but then, yeah, halfway through I'm like, where'd they go? I gotta do a swap this over. Even with that one crack, it should be better than what was in there before, so. Okay, out with the old, in with the new. At least the screen didn't fall apart like the black Etsy I had did. Or was it the white one? I forget. One of the Etsy's I had, the screen just fell apart. Just that cracked. Okay. Where did I put the other Touch ID at? I seem to have lost where I put the other Touch ID, but it doesn't even matter because we only care about this one. The good one. For this iCloud unlocked phone. Okay. Sure that's in there correctly. Yep, looks good. Now this is how you know if the repair was done good or not. The screws for the home button does not go through the screen. Tell you know if it's a good repair or a bad one. Now if these screws, you see them coming through to the glass part there, then you know that repair was not good. May have been successful, but you know, if you're breaking the phone even more when you put it back together, then yeah, not good. I'm just putting this display connector back on. The frame doesn't look bad from this phone. It doesn't look dirty. It's a very nice condition of phone. Not excellent, but very nice. And I forgot to put this one connector on. How can I take the screen off? Put this connector on. Or not the connector, the screw in. I always forget to do that with the home button. There's one screw. I always forget to put on now. I just had enough of this one screw. Like, it shouldn't even be here at this point. That's what I think, but this means I have to take the screen off. Now I'll put the screen back on. It's on. Now I don't know how much charge it has. No, it doesn't have much charge. So I'll have to Probably let it charge a little bit before I can test it out and use it. But I am putting the bracket back on. Let's see if this process can go easily. When you know what you're doing, it goes a lot easier, to be honest. This will be like my 5th, maybe 6th screen that I had to take off of the SE, so should go easily by now, but who knows, sometimes. Wait, is that? I should have, right? Oh. Thought I didn't do something, but I did. Okay, yeah. Green looks pretty good. Besides that one crack that... I don't know if it was... Just put it on. It'll make me mad if it... Just make me mad. So I cracked the screen. More than what it was before, but less than what it was originally. This phone just does not get a break. I don't know how to feel. Cracked the screen. Appears to be working though, so it's good. Touch ID seems to be working. No. What? On iOS 10, I don't know if that's rare, but hopefully it's rare. See, when I see that, it's on version 10.1.1. Let's hope that's where phone appears to be working fine. Yeah, it appears to be working perfectly fine now. The condition wise, it's not in the worst condition. Not excellent, but not bad either. The battery health is at a 92, so good. And I'm just hoping I can get some money back. Whatever, there you have it. An iPhone SE that I damaged.